Okay, today we're going to look at Concerto in C minor for Viola by J.C. Bach. This is going to be from Suzuki's 6th book. We are specifically looking at measures 24 through 32. The first thing we need to know is that at measure 24 we're actually going to start off in half position. So we want to start with our C, then our 2, then play a low 3 because that is an E flat. Cross over for that B flat right there, make sure you play a low B. And then we're going to play right next to it, we're going to play an A, because we have an A natural versus an A flat. And then we have the F sharp. Okay, I'm going to play it in just a second with the bow, but I want to notice a couple of things. In measure 26, where you're going from that A right there, you want to make sure you're doing an up, up, almost like a swoosh, swoosh sound like this, like that. And then in measure 27, we have some staccatos where it's not being slurred. You want to play staccato until you get to 28. Then you want to play legato bows. Okay, so at measure 24 through measure 28, this is what it sounds like. Okay, measure 29 is a very similar type of fingering right there, but this time instead of being in second position, we're going to go straight to half position. Okay, because we have a low D flat. We're going to go back to an A flat. And then we're going to play a first, which is an E, and then we're going to actually end up on the C string. Okay, so this would be like this: 1, 'So I'm going to just play that section right there. Time. Okay. Then in measure 31, we actually the beginning of measure 30, 31, and 32, it's the same thing basically as previously in measures 27 and 28, whereas we want to go ahead and just shift right there. Shift right here. Because it's probably similar, it's not written with staccato, but because it's going to be as similar as measure 27, we want to go ahead and write in the staccato notes and just go ahead and play it with staccato. So it'll be sound like this. Let me play that again. So I'm going to play measures 29, actually beginning at the end of 28, all the way over to the beginning of measure 32. Okay, let me play that one more time. Okay, so now I'm going to play that whole passage right there from the end of 24 to the beginning of 32. Okay, so I'm going to do that one section real quick again. That is measures 24 through measures 32 from Concerto in C minor by J.C. Bach.